Welcome to all of my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. I hope you're all doing great today. Today, I am making my favorite summer sandwich, which is garlic, butter shrimp, and vegetable on a bun. These are some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. We have the garlic here, paprika, pepper seasoning, black pepper, mushrooms, white onions, red onions, and I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to saute the mushrooms and onions. I have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to test to see if the oil is hot. Get in there. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in. I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes and then I'll be back. While the onions are sauteing, I am gonna go ahead and season these shrimps now. Okay, I'm gonna season the shrimps. Mix everything in together. And I am going to put a bit of cornstarch, 1 tablespoonful or a bit more. Yep. Okay, these are done. I'm going to go ahead and take them out. So in the same frying pan, I'm going to add some butter. Unsalted butter. Okay, adding in the shrimp. I have approximately 340 grams of shrimps. Okay, it has been about 2 minutes. Oh yeah, so I'm turning them 2 minutes on each side. Okay, yep, you're done now. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna saute the garlic, minced garlic, and it is unsalted butter. Mmm, I love the smell of garlic. Adding in the onions and mushrooms. A bit of lemon juice, just a bit. Okay, now I'm gonna add in the shrimps. Mmm, smells so nice. I'm adding in just a pinch of salt. I added the black pepper already. And then I'm gonna leave this for a few seconds and then I'll be back. It smells so delicious. Okay, I'm gonna start building the sandwich now. First, I'm gonna put the lettuce. Then I am gonna put some of the shrimps. No, some onions. My butter garlic shrimp sandwich is deliciously ready. Please give me a like, and also the ingredients will be in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Just move your clicker to the right of the screen and you will see thumbs up. Hit on that, please. Thumbs down, past that, go to the right, subscribe. Please subscribe. Have a great day or evening, afternoon, wherever you are. See you next time.